Hi, I'm Deb. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on a new project. I'm going to be knitting a scarf. I'm actually going down to Tasmania in about a month, so it's going to be absolutely freezing. So I thought, knit a scarf to keep myself warm. I found this wool at the op shop for $3, which is an absolute bargain because it's usually like $16 a ball. Unfortunately though, there were only 2 balls of this wool at the op shop, but lucky for me, Click Frenzy is on right now, so these are on sale at Spotlight. So I'm going to order some more, different colours perhaps, and go pick them up tomorrow so that I'll be able to make a complete scarf. As you can see, I've already knitted one roll into the beautiful beginning of the scarf. So I'm just going to get on with the knitting now.
I'm not the best at knitting, I only know this one stitch, so the whole scarf is basically going to be this. I think I will add different colours. I like these colour block designs and love the pom-poms on the end, so I think I'll do that too.
I've just arrived at Spotlight to get my click and collect order. I'm very excited. Alright, so as you can see, I got quite a few different colours. So I've got peach, dark blue, mustard, lilac and aqua. As you know, I've started off the scarf with the pink, so my next decision is which colour next.
I decided to go with light blue next. I was away in the Gold Coast for the weekend, so that inspired my colour choice. More knitting for days. Knitting in North Queensland, featuring kookaburras. Knitting in Brisbane again. I was worried that I was going to run out of wool, but
whew, made it. Excellent. So I have finished the scarf finally. Now all that's left to do is the finishing touches. I am going to be making 4 large pom-poms to attach to each corner of the scarf.
To make the pom-poms, you need to trace some round things and make 2 donut shapes. Then cut them out. Then cut a slit in the side. Put them together and wrap the wool around them. Keep wrapping until it's really fat and pom-pom sized. Then you need to cut the wool, cutting between the 2 circles on the inside.
I think it's too big.
Next, you wrap some wool around the pom-pom and tie it, leaving a tail. Then trim the excess off until the pom-pom is round.
There it is, the finished product, a large pom-pom. Now I'll make 3 more.
Now I just tie the pom-poms onto the corners of the scarf and all done.
It's finally all finished. Just in time for our trip to Tassie tomorrow.